Today I'm going to show you the all-in-one tool to automate and scale your Twitter growth. This is the MKTX. I'm going to break down what it can do, all the features inside this automation tool. So first, you can manage hundreds of accounts. I already have about 700 accounts I can use. On the left hand side are all the features of the tool where you can interact. You can auto like, retweet and reply to tweet with all these accounts. You can auto post, mass posting, schedule and public tweets in bulk, and you can also auto tag users in replies or posts, which will save hours of manual posting. You have the seeding function where you can auto comment using hundreds of sub accounts like this account I have right here. It will create social proof and engagement, and it will boost trust and visibility for your Twitter account. You have the follow and unfollow right here. It will help you to automatically follow target users, and you can follow or unfollow based on custom rules. You have the auto commenting right here. Comment on tweets with preset text, and it will help to automate respond to your user posts automatically and increase engagement and visibility for the account. Auto messaging. It will send welcome messages, run DM campaigns to leads, and it will reach out automatically and drive conversion between accounts. Here you also have the account control where you can change information, bulk update, profile, pictures, bios and links, and it will help to manage multiple accounts in one place. This software will automate your entire workflow from profile setup to interaction and outreach, and it is perfect for marketers, businesses, social sellers to develop their business